We are the brave, we are the bold.
Amtrak train service. Good morning, may I help you?
Yes, do you have any departures to San Francisco on Monday morning from Stockton?
One moment please, I'm overnight ma'am, but if you are going from Stockton, you can to a departure from Stockton station at 2 minutes to 9 a.m. on the first train, and you will arrive at Emeryville at 17 minutes to 11 a.m. There, you can take the first bus at 17 minutes to 11, and you will arrive at San Francisco at 20 past 11.
That's fine. Could I make reservations?
Certainly, ma'am. Could I have your name, please?
Sure. My name is Ariana. It's Eriana.
Would you like to book economy, business, or executive class, Mrs. Ariana?
Business class, please.
How many tickets do you need?
2 tickets, please.
Right, 2 tickets on business class. How would you like to pay, Mrs. Ariana?
Can I pay with debit card?
Sure, no problem, ma'am. Now you have been booked, Mrs. Ariana. The departure from Stockton Station at 2 minutes to 9 a.m. on the first train, and your arrival in Emeryville will be at 17 minutes to 11 a.m. Here's your tickets.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.